Hi, I'm Stephanie Jaworski from DoryBaking.com. Today we're going to make chocolate muffins. First we need to preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 190 degrees Celsius. And then we will need a 12-cup muffin pan, and I've just lined them with paper liners. If you don't want to do that, you could just butter the muffin cups. And then these are really easy to make. We just need 2 bowls, one for the wet ingredients, one for the dry, so you don't need an electric mixer for this. And so we're going to do the dry ingredients first. We will add 1 3/4 cups, that's 230 grams of white all-purpose flour. Then we need 1 1/4, that's 265 grams of light brown sugar. And 2/3 of a cup, that's about 60 grams of cocoa powder. Now this is unsweetened cocoa powder. You can use either the regular or the Dutch process, whatever you have in your house. And then we will need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're just going to dump all that in. And then your wire whisk. Or if you want, you can get your hands in there and just mix everything together. Sometimes I find if your brown sugar is a little lumpy, just kind of get your hands in there and the lumps out. Don't worry if there's a few small lumps, because once you get the wet ingredients in there. So just mix all that together. Okay, and to that I'm going to add 1 cup of chocolate chips. Now you can use milk chocolate, semi-sweet, bittersweet, or even white chocolate, whatever you like, and just stir that in. And then for our wet ingredients, we got 2 large eggs. I'm just going to whisk those together. And then just add 1 cup, that's 240 milliliters of buttermilk, and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Try to use the pure, as that tastes better than the imitation. And 1/2 cup, that's 113 grams of butter that has been melted and cooled to room temperature. Just whisk all that together. And then I'm just going to pour all the wet ingredients into the dry and stir it all together. Now just mix this until everything is moistened, mixed together. Don't over mix it, because you don't want it, your muffins to be tough. So. Okay, now let's take muffin pan. Now I find the best way, you can use 2 spoons for this, but I really like an ice cream scoop. It makes quick work of filling your muffin cups. So just fill them up almost to the top, as neat as you can. I'm just using plain white muffin cups, but of course there's all kinds of really pretty looking ones out there you might want to try using. Even this out as much as I can. Okay. Okay, that's good. So this is going to go in our preheated oven for about 20 minutes or until you put a toothpick in the center of one and it comes out clean. Our chocolate muffins are now done. As you can see, they are firm, and if you insert a toothpick into the center of one, it will come out clean. You can store these chocolate muffins at room temperature for several days, or they can be frozen. So until next time, I'm Stephanie Jaworski of joybaking.com.